Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the datum plane creation in Solidworks. A datum plane is a 2D imaginary plane of infinite length in which the sketch is drawn. Okay, let's get into the video. Actually, in the Solidworks user interface, there are three default planes which is readily available. That is the front plane, the top plane and the right plane, which are mutually perpendicular to each other. And to create an additional plane other than these three default planes, go to the Features tab, select the reference geometry, and here select the plane option. And here I have to select the reference. I'm going to select this one, and then here I'm going to select any one of the plane. Let me select the front plane. And here it shows the offset distance. Let me enter a distance of 150, and you can also use the flip button to flip the direction of the offset and then give a check mark to it. And now my new plane is created at an offset of 150 from the front plane. And here I have a model and I'm going to create plane here. Just select this face, and currently it is offsetted, and if I want my plane to coincide with this surface, I have to select the coincident option. If I want to create my plane parallel to this face, just select this parallel command. And if I want to create my plane perpendicular to this face, select the perpendicular command. And you can also select two faces. Let me select this first face and then this face, and now my new plane is created at the mid of these two surfaces. And let me explain it again. And this time I'm going to select this surface and this adjacent surface, and now my new plane is created at an incline like this. The angle between these two faces is 90 degree, and my new plane is created at a 45 degree, which acts as a midplane of the two selected surfaces. And you can also select a face and an edge. Select the face, and holding down the Ctrl key, I'm going to select this edge here. And now my plane is created. You have an angle option to create the plane with some angle value. Let me tilt this and let me change this to 135. If I change this angle option to 45 degree, my plane will be created just opposite like this. So this is not only applicable to the adjacent edge but also the edges which are far from the selected surfaces. For example, I'm going to select this surface and I'm going to select this edge which is far away from this surface. And you can also change the angle as similar in the previous case. You can also select a plane by selecting vertex. For example, let me select this vertex here and then this vertex, and then holding down the Ctrl key, select the other vertex, and now my new plane is created based on the selected vertices. You can also select a plane by selecting two edges. Let me select this edge and the other edge. And now my new plane is created from the selected two edges. Here I have a model to explain the plane created by tangent constraint. Let me select the plane. First, let me select this face, and here I'm going to make this as a perpendicular option. And holding down the Ctrl key, I'm going to select this circular surface. And now you see that my new plane is created tangent to the circular faces, at the same time perpendicular to the selected faces. If I select the parallel surface option, now you see that my newly created plane is parallel to the selected face, at the same time it is tangent to the surfaces. You can also change an angle here. Let me increase this value. And here I have a model here. Just select this face, and you can also create an n number of planes by using this option. Let me enter an intermediate distance as 50, and I just want 10 planes. So now you see that 10 datum planes are created at a distance of 50 from each other. And then give a check mark to it. And now in the model tree, you see that there are many number of planes. You can also edit one of the plane by just selecting the plane and click on edit definition. For example, for this particular plane, I'm going to change the offset distance as 220, such that this plane is offsetted as the distance of 220 from the start point. By the same way, you can edit these other planes. And let me explain how to create a datum plane here. Here I have a curve. I'm going to select the plane, and first I'm going to select this curve here, and then holding down the control key, select the point. And now my plane is created, and I'm going to draw a sketch on it. Select the plane and click on sketch. Go to sketch view, and here I'm going to draw a circle of some certain diameter, and then exit from the sketch. And with this feature, you can create a swept boss as well. First select this profile, and then path, and then give checkmark to it. So this is how datum plane is created in Solidworks. For more additional videos related to the concepts in mechanical engineering and design, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.